In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add line numbers to your Microsoft Word document. Adding line numbers can be incredibly useful, especially when you're trying to refer to specific lines in lengthy documents, such as manuscripts, scripts, or academic papers. So, whether you're collaborating with colleagues on a project or ensuring your editor knows exactly which line you're referring to, line numbers can save a lot of time and confusion. Let's dive right in. First, make sure your document is open in Microsoft Word. With your document ready, you'll want to head over to the Layout tab. In some older versions of Word, you might see this labeled as Page Layout. It's located in the ribbon at the top of your screen, nestled between the Design and References tabs. Now, once you're in the Layout tab, focus your attention on the group called Page Setup. This is where you'll find the option we're interested in. Line Numbers. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu displaying several choices. Let's break down these options, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. The first choice you'll see is None. Selecting this option will remove any existing line numbers from your document, returning it to a standard view. If your document doesn't currently display line numbers and you want to keep it that way, you can leave this option as is. Next up is Continuous. This option numbers all the lines in your document continuously from start to finish. It's a great choice if you want each line number to follow on directly from the previous page or section without resetting. If you'd prefer to have line numbers restart with each new page, select Restart Each Page. This option will begin numbering at 1 each time a new page starts. It can be particularly useful for documents that are meant to be printed or referenced page by page. Another choice is Restart Each Section. This option is ideal if your document is divided into sections and you want each one to be independently numbered from the beginning. Lastly, there's Suppress for Current Paragraph. This one's a bit different. It allows you to skip numbering for selected paragraphs. It's particularly handy when certain parts of your text require special formatting or are meant to remain unnumbered for clarity. After you've made your selection from these options, your document will instantly display the line numbers according to your preference. This simple yet powerful feature can significantly enhance your document structure and readability, especially when discussing sections with others. I hope you find this addition as beneficial in your workflow as countless others have. Feel free to comment with any questions you might have or tell us how you plan to use line numbers in your work. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting!